Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to be pulling out the old gauges from the Forester and looking at where I can mount the new Haltech one. Stay tuned. Alright, so I've actually got enough room next to the fence to get in here. So, the T-piece I need to get rid of. This is the wideband. It's an old AEM. It's up here. So the center dash is going to have to come out. I'm going to get the GFB G-Force 3 out. It's not connected anymore. Alright, so this is the G-Force one. I've got a water temp, I think. Alright, I think I can get the... Yep. Right, G-Force is out. Should that go into the XT? It's still got the plastic on it. And this wiring is just here. I have a power and an earth. So I'll just go snip that. Not sure what they are for. Can't remember. Right, we have all the wiring out. The boost controller, it's good. Alright, so we have the AM wideband. I'm going to work that one out. That's it. Alright, well, I found the old boost gauge as well. The other one I just pulled out last episode, that's sitting over there. So I can take that out of the little box and that'll go up to the center console. So here is the wideband wiring. We've got a fused. Yeah, we'll take the fuse out of that so there won't be any power. And then I can cut there. Alright, just chopped all the dags off all the wiring there. It's all clean now. I did have a guy ask about how I wired that up to a serial port, and I could log it on SCU flash. I use a blue wire. And there was an earth as well that went into the serial port. That was it really. Yeah. So got a power there that's fused, which is great. We'll disconnect that. Cable ties going everywhere. And then we'll head up into the center console and pull everything out. Nearly everything's out. Just gonna undo these ones, hopefully you can see. Oh, it's hot. Well, they weren't even in. So this white one I was pulling from down below before. There we go. Screws went flying. Alright, so gauge. One. There's another one. And the other one. So what I might do, instead of swapping things around, I'll just put the Haltech one up here and I'll leave that there because if I'm going to get rid of that one, I'll just get rid of that. That's fine. We'll have a boost. I like seeing it on that gauge. I'm sure somebody's sitting there, or you guys watching like to just watch the boost as well. So I guess now is the perfect time to feed in the wires for the Haltech. Alright guys, here's the box. GaugeART. The can one, not the OBD one. Okay. The wiring? It's pretty straightforward. If you want illumination, you hook up the orange one, which I'm not going to worry about. Let's just get blinded by it at night time. And then that just goes in. And then I have the gauge. Oh! So, very nicely. We go into the bottom one, I believe. So, all we'll have to do is go to here. So, go down that way. I'm going to be in the way, so there's no point in recording it. I'll show you when I get it all plugged in, really. Alright, got the wiring up there, but you guys are about to go flat, so I'll be back in a sec. Alright, I'm back. It's battery wasn't charging. So it might stop. Yeah, I've got all the wiring through. All I need to do is plug it in, which is the bottom one. I think the top one is when you start to daisy chain them together. Actually, the top one. Right, we'll hook it up and see what it looks like. Now, I believe I still need to calibrate it within the software and on my phone, on the app. So, let's see what happens when I turn it on. Key. Where were we? Up here, then you go across. Coolant. So it's only got two at the moment. Throttle position. Yeah, so I need to calibrate that on my phone. So I need to turn the lights off. Make my gauge pod again. Alright guys, so I've downloaded the Haltech app. It's called GaugeART. Now I need to be able to see that, maybe not. I need to turn the car on. I've also got the laptop hooked up, so I need to set it up to show things as well. I believe I did read the instructions a little while ago. Alright, so I'm just uploading the new tune that I did before. So I added post-fuel start correction. So it will go a little bit longer. And I took off the vehicle speed sensor because it was all over the place. I'm not sure why that is, but that will free up a wire as well. So I can put that to something else. I'll just reset it. I like how I've got the sweep. Alright, battery's down a bit. We've got the gauge there. So I've only got two on there at the moment. Wi-Fi is not turned on. If you, oh there we go, there it is. Password in here. I think it's just the basic. Yep. Joining the Haltech. Weak security. Waiting for device. Programming mode. Create configuration. Haltech. Next. Ooh, number of gauges. One. Oh, here we go. Coolant temperature I need. It won't go. Oh yeah, fuel composition. I haven't done that before. Lambda. I guess it's in lambda then. Lambda. Oh yeah, there we go. Target. No. There we go. PSI. Previous coolant air fuel ratio, boost PSI, and saved to program. Tap send configuration. Gauge will be programmed and we'll show you a configuration. Programming mode. I think any more than 2 on there would probably be too much. Why is boost showing 0.3 already? Coolant and air. Air fuel ratios hasn't warmed up. Battery, ethanol, fuel trim. It's actually a good one to have, fuel trim. Short term, long term, long term on top, short term on bottom. Injector percentage. Alright, so I'll go the Haltech can system. Haltech can supported dash. Device status connected. That's all I have to do. It's being logged. Anyway, that's it really. Just need to mount them properly, so probably a little while before I make one. I guess I could just find a couple of cups and put them in there for now. Alright guys, our box of goodies actually came in early. It's only Tuesday, but it's going to be a while before we can fit everything. So guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a like. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.